Best smart lock works with Echo Plus. Number 5. August Smart Lock, 3rd Gen technology. Benefits: A. Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. Benefits: B. Keep your existing lock and keys. Easily attaches to your existing deadbolt, so everyone can still use their keys. Benefit: C. Simple, DIY installation. Install in about 10 minutes with just a screwdriver. Price: $148.00. Number 4. Kwikset 92640-001 Contemporary Electronic. Benefits: A. Keyless entry with a motorized driven deadbolt for one-touch locking, low battery indication, and easy install with just a screwdriver. Benefits: B. Single-cylinder electronic deadbolt operates by keypad or key outside and thumb turn inside, fits door thickness of 1-3/8 inch to 1-3/4 in. Benefit: C. Includes an adjustable latch to fit all standard door preparations. Price: $59.99. Number 3. Kwikset Kavo, 1st Gen, Touch to Open Bluetooth Smart Lock. Benefits: A. Your smartphone is now your key, touch to open convenience. Benefits: B. History and notifications, see who locked and locked Kavo. Benefit: C. Bluetooth Smart Ready with a Bluetooth 4.0 enabled device. Price: $139.15. Number 2. Kwikset 909 Smart Code Electronic Deadbolt featuring Smart Key. Benefits: A. One-touch locking with a motorized deadbolt and backlit keypad for increased visibility. Benefits: B. ANSI BHMA Grade 2 certified and lifetime warranty on mechanics and finish. 1 year on electronics. Benefit: C. Latch has adjustable back set to -3/8 to 2-3/4 to fit all standard door preparations. Price: $62.04. Number 1. August Smart Lock 2nd Generation, Dark Gray. Benefits: A. Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required, Alexa device and hub sold separately. Benefits: B. This product has a serial number that uniquely identifies the item when your order ships. Benefit: C. There is no action required from you and the serial number will only be used. Price: $109.99. Check the video description for more information.